Hello, I'm Pastor Steve Corona. Today, during our Bees series, we're going to talk about life seasons and what we can learn from bees. I have with me again today Jack Tapp, who's the owner of Busy Bee Apiaries in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. Jack has over 40 years experience working with bees. Jack, good to have you with us today.
My pleasure to be here.
Thank you. Jack, I know that bees do different responsibilities through different seasons of their life. There's not a separate bee for this responsibility and a separate bee for that responsibility, but rather the same bee goes through different stages of its life and performs different responsibilities. So can you explain that to us a little bit, the different seasons of a bee's life?
Yes, we have a egg that's laid by a queen. It hatches in 21 days and it becomes a worker bee. The day that bee hatches, it's a female bee, the first 3 days of its life is designated as a housekeeper bee.
Okay.
All that bee does is clean. She's cleaning out cells where bees have just hatched. She's taking dead bees out of the hive where someone has passed away during the night in the hive. They're getting rid of the bodies. Pollen grains that have fallen off of the hive, of the comb and down into the bottom, they remove all this stuff. So they're basically house cleaners.
Okay.
Then from about the 4th day to about the 14th day, they become what we call hive bees or worker bees within the hive. They take care of the young, they feed the young, they take care of the larva that's in there as far as taking out any waste or if something falls in the open cell with it. They do that. They maintain the heat of the hive by fanning its little body and exercise the body to give off the heat.
Okay, with its wings?
With its wings and with just the movement of its body, it'll quiver. Anything to burn energy that produces heat. The next stage, which is the 18th to the 21st day, they are guard bees. Those are the bees that you see gathered around the front of the hive here that are just sort of hanging out on the block, it looks like. And they will be in the bottom of the hive, and if I struck the front of this hive right now, they would come out, and you and I would have to move.
The guard bees.
Okay? And then after the 21st day, they become field bees. Field bees are the hunter-gatherers. They bring in the pollen, they bring in the nectar, and they are the life or the bloodline of the hive as far as the sustainability for food during the winter and all of that.
Bees go through different seasons of their life where they're productive in different areas and perform different functions just like humans do.